In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to ClickFunnels for just $33 a month. ClickFunnels is a leading platform that enables entrepreneurs and businesses to create effective sales funnels, landing pages, and marketing campaigns without the need for extensive technical skills. So let's take a deeper dive into what ClickFunnels is. ClickFunnels is like your one-stop shop for all things marketing. It's an all-in-one tool that helps businesses create sales funnels that actually work, turning visitors into leads, and most importantly, paying customers. ClickFunnels is super easy for anyone to build and optimize their sales funnels without any coding knowledge. It's no wonder it's a favorite among marketers looking to simplify their process and boost conversions. Let's take a look at some of the key features. Drag and drop editor. You can create and tweak sales funnels and landing pages in minutes. No coding needed. Just drag, drop, and you're good to go. Pre-built templates. Choose from a library of professionally designed templates that are tailored to different industries. Whether you're in e-commerce, coaching, or real estate, there's a template ready for you. Email marketing integration. Connect with your favorite email marketing platforms to nurture your leads automatically. ClickFunnels helps you stay on top of your communication game. A/B testing. If you're not sure which funnel will work better, ClickFunnels lets you test different options side by side so you can focus on what converts the best. Analytics and reporting. Stay in the know with detailed reports and analytics that show you how your funnels are performing. It's all about understanding what's working and tweaking what's not. So now, how do you get the discount? What you want to do to secure the $33 a month rate is click our exclusive link in the description to get started. Once you click that link, you're going to want to join the One Funnel Away Challenge. This 30-day program provides comprehensive training on building effective sales funnels. Upon joining the challenge, you'll receive an offer to use ClickFunnels at a discounted rate of $33 per month for the first 3 months. So if you're ready to elevate your marketing efforts, make sure you take advantage of this amazing ClickFunnels offer. Once you click that link in the description, you'll be brought to this page, and all you have to do is go ahead and click join the One Funnel Away Challenge. Here you can see you get access to all of this with just a one-time payment of $100, which gets your cost to $33 per month. So with this, you get ClickFunnels, like I said, for 90 days, 3 full months. You also get the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is build your funnel trainings, including both the expert and e-com training pass with Russell Brunson and Trey Llewellyn. You also get weekly calls with the One Funnel Away team featuring experts and special guests, as well as expert and e-com frameworks. You'll get a complete ClickFunnels workspace template that includes everything you need to be successful in each track, including sales funnels, stores, courses, emails, website, and more. A couple of free bonuses that they're adding on as well is access to Fill Your Funnel Challenge, which is to learn how to start attracting organic traffic for free, as well as access to the Funnel Hacker Library. You'll dive into other courses to further develop your marketing skills. And lastly, the One Funnel Away daily workbooks. This is designed to help you take detailed notes as you go through the One Funnel Away Challenge. Again, this is such an amazing deal that you don't want to pass up for. So if you're interested, make sure you click that link in the description to get started for just $33 per month. I hope this information helps you make the most out of ClickFunnels at an affordable rate with all the added bonuses. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.